I'm going to explain to you how the economy is divided into sectors, subsectors, and industries, and why this is important for benchmarking and productivity. Hey guys, I'm Ross with RMP 24/7. We propel reliability and maintenance productivity. The economy is classified by financial institutions, or by the government. Financial institutions classification allows investors to compare industry trends, research stocks, identify competitors, and benchmark with them. Stock exchanges around the world adopt one of two financial classifications: the Industry Classification Benchmark, or ICB, which was developed by Dow Jones and the Financial Times Stock Exchange in 2005, or the Global Industry Classification Standard, or GICS, which was developed by Standard & Poor's and Morgan Stanley. Governments across the world use their own economy classification. The US, Canada, and Mexico use the North American Industry Classification System, or NAICS. NAICS codes are used by the government for taxes, contracting purposes, and for developing economy indicators. Later in this video, I will also show you how companies classify themselves based on stage of production. Let's look at how financial institutions classify sectors. In general, the ICB divides the economy into industries, then supersectors, sectors, and finally subsectors. Some examples of industry classifications are oil and gas, basic materials, consumer goods, healthcare, and financials. In this example, you see a breakdown of how commodity and specialty chemicals are classified. The industry is basic material. The supersector is chemicals. The sector is also chemicals, and the subsectors is commodity and specialty chemicals. For North America, government classification is done by the Office of Management and Budget, and it's called the North American Industry Classification System, NAICS. NAICS is based on sector, subsector, industry group, and industry. Every section is assigned a code. Here, we show you how to find the 6-digit NAICS for paint and coating manufacturing. Let me show you another example on how to find NAICS. Note that in NAICS, manufacturing has codes between 31 and 33. You could see the breakdown from manufacturing to food manufacturing to animal food manufacturing and finally to dog and cat food manufacturing. Another classification that is not related to financial or government is how businesses classify their products. The classification depends on the stage of manufacturing. For example, in the chemical industry, you will have basic chemicals, which will be the ethylene or propylene production, intermediates, which could be the plastic pellets, and finally, the final product used by the consumer. Knowing your sector will help you with benchmarking. You could do the research yourself, but you could hire a company like RMP 24/7 to give you an independent assessment of your business. Another reason to have a classification is because some governments require industry code to get a contract and do business. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to see the videos in this lineup in the future, and leave us a comment. Thank you.